So nandito tayo ngayon, no, sa may Mintal Highway patungo ng Kalinan. So nandito tayo, tingnan natin yung approaching ng bypass road galing ng South Portal Twin Tunnel, Takunan. So labas dito, so tingnan natin yung clearing operation. Approaching, no? So tingnan natin. So ito yung update natin. Approaching patungo ng Sirawan. 안녕하세요 여러분, 잘 지내세요? 보고 싶어 행복해서 welcome to my channel Crispy Core TV. Please subscribe, like and share. So dito tayo, no, sa may Mintal Highway. So update tayo sa clearing operation, approaching from South Portal Twin Tunnel patungo dito sa may Sirawan. So tara, let's go. Department of Public Works and Highway, Davao City Bypass Construction Project Package 1-2, GCA LA number PH 273, construct ID 21700007, Barangay Mintal, Tugbok District, Davao City. Our requirements of development and project safety purpose for the construction of the Davao City Bypass Construction Project Package 1-2, DENRXY1 Davao, May 16, 2025 to May 16, 2026. So ito na yung approaching, no, galing ng Mintal Dica, then galing ng Takunan bypass road, galing ng South Portal Twin Tunnel. So ito na yung clearing dito, no, sa may Mintal Tugbok. So ito yung approaching, no, galing dito sa Mintal Highway. So ito yung patungo ng Mintal Dica going to South Portal Twin Tunnel. Approaching. So ito yung galing sa Ulas, no, Mintal, then going to Kalinan. So ito yung approaching dito galing sa Mintal Dica, Takunan. So ito yung approaching, ito yung banda. So dito lulusot yung bypass road patungo ng Turil, Sirawan Turil. So dito nakikita natin, so hindi pa siya clear. Gusto ko sana pasukin doon sa loob, kaya lang at itry natin, tingnan natin kung mayroong clear dito sa loob. Tingnan natin, itry natin, ha. So ito na yung area, no, approaching patungo ng Turil, Sirawan. So ito na yung approaching. So pinuntahan natin ito sa loob, so wala pa tayo nakikita no doon, pero ito approaching ito patungo ng Sirawan Turil. So approaching pa lang ito siya. So ito yung approaching no, galing dito sa may Mintal Highway patungo ng Kalinan Road. Then ito yung approaching going to Bypass Road, Takunan to South Portal Twin Tunnel. So ito na yun no. So nakikita na natin pero na approaching. Wow. At nakikita sa malayo, ito yung bypass road galing sa may Mintal Dika. Then ito yung patungo ng approaching to Sirawan Turil. At dito merong clear merong nalinis na bakante. Ito yung dadaanan no. Wow, galing. So approaching to Sirawan Turil, ongoing na. ito yung road ng Mintal to Kalinan. So hanggang dito lang yung update natin, no? Dito sa may Mintal, Tugbok, approaching to Sirawan, Turil.